Now, let me carefully explain how to fix the warning you are encountering, as you can see here. Safety warning or error? Let's address it now. The application is unsafe. As you can see here, you are using CapCut on your phone. Let's start by emphasizing that you should only install CapCut from the official store. From the official store. The most common reason, as you can see, is the unofficial version of the application. Always use only Google Play or the Apple Store for secure app downloads, as you see. If you have an Android device, you should use Google Play. However, if you don't have Android, then use Apple Store instead. For example, if you have an iPhone, then you should carefully use the Apple Store. After that, you carefully download the app from the official website, as you can see here. After that, if it still doesn't work, try completely reinstalling the app. Now, carefully uninstall CapCut, then restart your device to ensure everything works smoothly. After this, also try restarting your phone for better results. Carefully reinstall the app again from the official store for better results. After this, you will carefully try downloading the updated version of the app for better performance. Versions that have just been released recently now. Always try to download it from here. And after this, you should carefully check if there is permission granted for the app, as this is crucial for its functionality. Apps for CapCut, as you can see here. Here, just grant it access to storage, internet, and microphone for proper functionality, please. To the camera, because missing permissions can sometimes break it. Security check for your application now. And that's all there is. Thank you all for watching, good luck, and goodbye now.